Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you are doing good. So we are continuing with shell scripting tutorial for a DevOps engineer, and in this video we are going to see how we can define variable in shell script and what are the data types in shell script and how we can define data types and how we can write data types while working with shell script. Okay, so let me jump to the terminal here, and I am under desktop directory, and let me create one file here, touch, okay, script.sh. so now we have to write something under script, okay, .sh file. So we have to do vi script.sh. Now we have to write under this file, okay. We have to press I to start writing, and first we will be defining cbang, okay. So hash, then exclamation mark, then forward slash, then bin, then forward slash, then bash, okay. So this is known as cbang, okay, and this is the interpreter of shell script that it will tell this file. So this is the shell script, so please you execute this script according to that, okay. So we are going to see how we can define variable in shell script. So suppose I am taking the variable name is name, okay, and is equal to the name, my name is Bipin. So how we can define now, like we want to print this variable, okay. So we have to do echo and hi, how are you, okay, then $sign whenever we are defining variable and the key of the variable here, okay, after the $sign. Then we have to write name, the key and the value is Bipin, okay. So we have to define key only, okay. So name, and we have to end with double quotes, okay. And let's save this file, and suppose if we want to run without changing this file permission, okay, so forward slash script.sh. so as you can see, permission denied. So first we have to change the file permission here. For that we need to use command chmod 700 script.sh, okay. Now we have successfully changed our file permission. Then we will be executing this file, okay. So hi, how are you, Bipin, you can see, right? So we have successfully defined our variable and we have successfully executed that script, okay. So now we are going to see the data type, okay, that is available while using with shell script, okay. So first data type is a string, okay. So whenever you are defining a string, okay, so let me open file here first. So first we have to press I so that, okay. So whenever you will be defining a string, you have to write always start with the double quotes and end with the double quotes in the simple as key value pairs in the format, okay. So just write here a string, okay, and is equal to hi there, okay. And another example of another type of data we have, okay, that is integer. Okay, so integer will be integer, and the integer value will be always in digits. Okay, so you can write anything. Okay, so that is our integer data type. So that is the, this is the string data type, this is the integer data type. Okay, and another one is array data type. Array. Okay, so in array data type, what we have to do, we can define multiple like value of pairs. Okay, so this one is the key, and the value will be multiple. Okay, so we can define here apple, or you can write anything here, so that is not a case here. So then, okay, and we can close it. So this is the example of array data type in shell script. Okay, and another data type we have boolean, so that will be true or false. Okay, so that can be true or false. So suppose we want to write, okay, so like DevOps equal to true. Okay, so this is our boolean data type. Okay, so how we can print it, we have to use echo, okay, and $sign, then string the name, okay, key name, echo, and dollar, then integer, echo, dollar, array, then echo, dollar, DevOps. Okay, so this is the way how we can print this. Okay, so now let's save this file and try to execute this file. Okay, so what we are getting here. Okay, so first we are getting, so hi, how are you, Bipin? Then we are getting hi there. Then we are getting the what we have defined there, integer. Okay, so we are getting the integer value. Then we are getting the array data type. Okay, then we are getting the value of boolean data type. Okay, that is true. Okay, DevOps is true. Okay, so this is the way how we can define and how we can use variable in shell script, and how we can define data type in shell script. Okay, so I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you like new to my channel, then do check out my other playlist as well, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.